What's up, my wonderful people? Remember, speak my mind always. I tell you, watch your friends, watch your friends, what you keep. Watch your friends, watch your friends, watch your friends, what you keep. Some of them are liars, some are thief. Speak my mind, people. Boy, I take a little 2-day rest. And, between last night and this morning, what I tell you, you see, when you are here for a purpose, God have you here for a purpose, and people want to do otherwise and think otherwise, they always becomes them own stumbling block. And this is why I'm telling you, my people, friendship, not for know how to do. It not even your own shadow on a trust at times. Because from what you have to notice, I be a leak a voice note, leak a recording, leak a this a go on how much months, how much years ago. But at the same time, these are the same people. We come in a phone, I go on like them this all that, them is conscience free, and there is nothing bad nobody can say I have to say about them. But all those voice notes were released and recordings were released are evidence. Speak my mind, people. I want to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend as usual. Hit that thumbs up when you hit on the video. Don't wait till you done watch the video because you might forget. Please to watch the ads, and remember the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Go over there and give it a subscription. Please and thanks. Anyway, based on what me are telling about my people, today I want to touch a little bit on Marcia Campbell and her friend Jennifer before I get into the main topic. I don't know if you remember, because I searched the live, it come like after them talk, like them have some discussion, because as me say, why they may hear the wingless one I say, oh, okay, yes, my sis, I got your message, Ray. Like she approved to the public, say, she and Marcia work out them things. So I searched the live for Marcia page and I can't find it. So basically, through them work out them things, Marcia find out said she were too much in disgust with the wingless, aka Jennifer Barron, whenever did I own up her name. Yeah. Yeah, the same Jennifer Barron, where everybody in a social media almost know her right, correct name, both subscribers and people with platform. And then when them call her name and say she involved in this, she come up on her platform and show you them people are devious and talk about, oh, I don't know who them calling Jennifer Barron, but sure it's not me. And yeah, next time when she give you a commentary on something and she call her name and then she say, oh, I'm just making reference to the Jennifer Barron that they're talking about. It's not me, I'm just making reference to the Jennifer Barron. Still denying that Jennifer Barron is her name. Why did she come again and she do the same thing when she and Marcia in the cascas with the whole situation? She come and she talk. But me and her is like that because we exchange words and exchange things and we tell one another things, and she will pick up the phone and she will call me and say, Jennifer. Oh, did I just say Jennifer? Oh, yes, Jennifer. Jennifer. That's the same Jennifer. Yeah. Every time she come and she blow it up and she try cover it. Anyway, me notice she forward and she say what she have to say. But I remember in the live where Marcia come out and I share her disgust with the whole caca eye situation, and she tell people to call her, forget them channel, Ray. In a part of that live, I hear Marcia said, but I know why she do it. Yes, I know why she do it. I know why she do it. Because me and her have some difference. Yeah, the other day, me and her have some difference. People, I didn't want to find the live to play it for to hear it. That difference was when them depend the cruise in our day. Because it has been leaked that Marcia was on the cruise. All the year she did on her vacation and she not think about nobody and she was on that cruise with her mindset all on AD. The same AD where she claimed to say she never have no phone for see the party where the little settings where Nana Lynn show for Dana. But she was on AD name all along. And because the wingless was, the wingless junker, never must into it. And I try to tell her, I said, come on, Marcia, man, Lord Marcia, man. This is not the time for it. You're on your vacation, you're on your cruise, you're this. Don't. And Marcia never sit well with that either. So basically they were having a little difference from there. So when the wingless was come out and say what she said about the whole YouTube thing, and I tell people, Marcia terms it that, okay, this is why she do it, because me and her have a little difference. So she come out and do this. So when you hear them depend, them no member Dana, them now watch Dana live, and them a lie them a tell. Lie. They are liars. Them just come out, come pretend as if them now do that. So, me just try to show you how friendship go. Those are two friends. Jennifer Baran, Marcia Campbell. You understand? AKA Kakai, AKA Wingless Ratbat, Wingless Junker, Wingless Was. Anyway, my people, I did just want to clear up a little part there. I could get into the main story now. My people, you see these people, me just come in a phone, come see enough of them and know enough of them, you know. And I'm telling you every day, I'm a great observer. I'm very observant. Me don't know them. Me don't see them in a phone. Them in a phone long before me. Me don't know them in a long time in a phone. But quickly, I can discover the type of person they are. The latest voice note and recording for a leak is so a woman who says she run the nation as. You don't get it twisted now. The nation as is different from one nation. Alright. And this person, I have been observing this person for a long time. Even when this woman visit 99, people were in the comments saying she uneasy, she uncomfortable. Look on her, watch her. I mean, I still comment them. I mean, I say, really and truly, you know, by observing this lady not look comfortably in her skin at all. You know, like when somebody knows them just don't chat you, and them come and say, Lord God, me love you, say, yeah, what go on? A long time I not hear from you and see you. And them know them just don't chat around the road. So it's like, them uncomfortable, them uneasy in themselves. Yeah, that's how she did look. Only to hear a voice note leak, where this voice note I must say from last year, or year before last, or recording, whatever you want to call it, by such person, Harry. I don't know who it is. This same woman here we are going like enough only, you know, plankers, you know, and one nation people, you know, we might follow that person, you know, from over the nation as, you know. The real plankers them, I would say this woman really and truly care and love and check for AD. Yeah, one of the things that she check for 99. But for me, my observation, this is all about check for herself. It's all about money. It's all about money for this woman. She will do whatever she have to do to earn her money on her platform. It's not about no loyalty to nobody at all. You should have to go tell the Aki say curry round there, so I wait for curry chicken. So come in at the pot now, Aki. She a go do it. And if vice versa, she a go do it. You understand me? I say, many times she come out on her page when she in her little cantankerous thing, and she come out, oh, you can't go on. I talk about likes and I talk about views. Me alright, me smart how, you don't think I'm smart like me. You know, see me make sure come out. What you think she talk? It's all about the money, the pretty scream. The $300 for partner, beg $300 car, una fair to a partner fair for $300 every week. So at the end of it, the partner draw, if she get $10,000, $5,000, $6,000, and una throw it, she don't throw 1 week. I no care what problem this woman are in upon social media. No care what she come out. I try to talk about. No care how serious it is. Right in the middle. On a nation, my mama change it for the partner, not show yet, you know. They come and send it coming, and me can't stop. So we all know this person is no loyal person to nobody at all but herself, Cash App, her Zelle, and her pretty screen. My people, I don't know if this video, I'm not going to talk too long in this video, you know, because I have a little couple part of this I want to dissect. I want to listen, because I want to feel like me, I tell you that this is all I want to go nowhere else go here. I just over my yard on the stay. Yeah.
Just go away. Our blood clot crack teeth.
My people, all I want to Christian. I want to prepare for the bad word I like on the ears, because this man cause a lot of bad word. I tell you. When you hope it can get it can pass YouTube.
Me not forget you. Me not forget you, bitch. Bitch, me not for blood clot get you. Woman with no teeth in her mouth. But
Larry the Lizard.
Cause them swear say, but tell them, and me say save and store every show.
Expose them.
Nobody come ball down no stress for me. Remember them did have them YouTube problem. Remember them did a war and contention between them and Dana. And them supposed to be a fiercest soldier.
You hear the man say? Them say war and contention between them and 99. Him go as far and said they should have been there than a fierce soldier on the battlefield. Because this is the impression that this person give. That she's behind Dana 100%, but she's just behind 99 for the support that she know the Planka Nation give. Because it's all about money.
Remember them did a war and contention between them and Dana. And them supposed to be a fiercest soldier. Men are war. And so after I play this, after I play that live here, can you see that live here what I have in front of me? My life. To tell them not get nothing. I have all of my life them. Me have all of my show them.
People, this is the person, Grace Kennedy. Grace to me to catch up from the Nationers. She and Dottie Lorraine, Larry the Lizard, this, they on phone attack back to back. This are the person where, as you hear the man say, should have been one of the most fierce soldier for 99. With 99 enemy. Pan phone a chat. Remember now, no people, he is a person where they over there, him depend the life, him there with them attack or something, you know. So you hear me telling you, if fish come from water bottom and tell you say shark down, they don't believe. Alright?
We now stop play with Gracie chat blood clot Dana. And that for talk about. And that for blood clot about.
People, there's so much bad word. Me just try to cut out some of the bad word, my people. Trust me. Me I cut out some of the bad word. Cause, but what I tell you?
Memory is from May 29th.
May 29, that's last year.
Bad-minded, bitch-thinking, pussy crazy. 29th. Twinny and blood clot, that are for YouTube.
So basically, that is Gracie saying war and contention between she and Dana for YouTube. Why you don't want? Remember now, Your platform is your platform. Your supporters is your supporters. So why you don't come and make a statement like that? War and contention between you and her for YouTube. Why not war and contention for all of those other bigger people than even Dana on YouTube? Why Dana? Because it's all about the money. And you just figure more or less say the same set of people who support the circles of the world thing with Uno. It's the same set of people that support you and Dana. You understand? And your followers and supporters is not as big as Dana. So there's no fight there. You know, you Dana come at our pretty scream, pretty scream, pretty scream. Send me nothing in a cash app. All Dana come and ask her is likes and subscribe. That's all. So no competition, no dead Gracie.
Clat record you. And even if them did record me and nobody buyer was a blood clot friend, so me did take up a chat any woman blood clot.
Why bad word, boy, the bad word.
I wanna care. Yes, big stinking pussy Gracie. You're terrible.
You hear the same man where I play the video right now and I do all of this right now. Even in the background from the original live there, you know. And him a laugh, you know. You understand? Because at that time he were with them. You understand? But now differences come around. You hear all kind of things a leak. Watch your friends, watch your friends, what you keep. Watch your friends, watch your friends, watch your friends, what you keep. No for them a liar, some a thief. Laurie and this, you know. Gracie a call her. She not get her. So Gracie go live. So she ask Gracie, why you call me and you not get me and you go live? Why you never send me a voice note? Wanna listen?
Who is this big fat stinking?
So she a want AD. What you want AD about? You can't want AD, man. You should have book all your toe when you reach a 99. For all these things you wanna have deep down in your gut, in your belly. For the woman. I wanna still I play this face card like who is with her. And sometimes she's so blind to it. Sometimes I wonder if she know and she does. Like, you know, time tell pound like how it I tell you now. Cause she don't know she got Zion. Must. So let me ask you a question. You don't hear that part of my people? All she a go on, she have to have Gracie in her corner. Cause pudding time a come. You mad? Donna can't make that mistake there now. No, on a serious note. Because honestly, you know, so I don't even too follow this lady program. Because me see what she's all about. You understand? So I'm not really too follow her up on them something there. No one again, as somebody where I do YouTube, you might see something where you stop and look at to try see if you can gravitate to it or get anything from it or any real sense from it. But it's not somebody who may get up and watch somebody will get up. If you notice, there's so much things are going on our side, and me never even come out and say nothing. Based on where I go on fear side. Between she and Elderly Mac, between she and Dwayne, between whosoever, Ashanti, whosoever, you never hear me come out and say nothing yet. Because me hardly really take into what she do. You understand? But who is Gracie now? Back then, I gotta say, AD can't afford to do what she do. Afford to do anything you know because I put the time. So what you could have done to stop putting from sale? What could you do? You couldn't do nothing at all. Because you can't even help yourself. More than little people that sit down on your page and just allow you to abuse them financially, physically, you know, and play a blind eye to it. Trust me. I saw you powerful. What you can do to stop then I put the sale? Hey, me tell you.
Don't put up anybody name over here. Because it was not this message. And she was innocent and all these things. And them ask was a demon to get a piece of fight too. You see me? But guys, if you don't feel so, it was a bummer, people. And no person out there have a celebrate. You see me, I say, call him, I say, you a long time Grace do things and she was innocent and all these things.
Yeah. When you check it out and you analyze the whole situation, my people, this person is a person, as me say, when it come on to money, she not have no loyalty. Anywhere she see the support come from, anywhere she see where the strength come from, where she can get the cash, anything she see where she can do to earn the cash, that's what she going to do because she's all about the cash. If that woman come on right now and I either kill her, some bad news just go on and she come on, boy, nationals, me head a hot me. Boy, nationals, me tormented. Want to send something at the cash shop now? Yo, give me a pretty scream there. It's like she come on the phone seeking all this. When she not come on the phone and carry the news, she come with sympathy and then she just bring in the cash up pretty scream. It's all about money. She not do this thing from her heart. And she, at least she tell you. Because she tell you, you not idiot. Who not fool? Who not idiot? Who not fool? When they're about for pretty about for likes. And about for views, me smart. I don't know. Yes, and can say, yes, she's smart. I don't know. Them $300 their partner. When the partner draw come, think she has send back $50 come go, no? I don't know, show it. Pretty scream, all kind of thing. So it's all about money. You understand? She tell you, say, she no matter about YouTube money that can stay because what she get for the month is more than YouTube money. So she now have to sit down and wait for YouTube money. And that's what Uno send her. So she's all about the money. So you can't trust people like them there. Them will sell you out more than my boys, more than how think they sell out Jesus Christ. Less than nothing them will sell you out for. If them want a wheelbarrow of dirt, and you and them are the best of friend, where you give them one dumper truck before, but them want one wheelbarrow now. Because I know them are talk about, them not talk about where you give them before, and where, if you come where you go give them along the line, them want one wheelbarrow of dirt now, so them sell you out for the one wheelbarrow of dirt, and presently them are talk about. Oh. I don't know if you're too enough. It wasn't about from your heart you pick up for AD. It wasn't about 99, so don't come blame 99, but most of the people that we in an argument is because of 99. It's because of the money. So you know if you comes out and say 99 and different AD, you know say the Planka Nation go and support your platform to a level. The pretty scream where you call for them go and send it come give you. The cash up, the Zell, the Pell and the L where you call for, they're going to give it to you. So it wasn't about 99. You understand? It was about the support you can get from 99 platform and your platform to ask for your pretty scream and ask all who you want to ask for your cash up and your Zell. So don't come make it look like it was defending 99 from your heart. When you love and check and care about somebody, no easy can trigger you from turn against them. If you don't have no difference, you just separate for a while and you can talk it over and build back on a friendship, you don't do that. You not comes out at one another. So that simply means it wasn't from your heart. It was from what you can gain.
This was what gave you the end result where you have now. Always remember this. Nobody can believe the whole blood clot internet poison. Oh, you better learn that. You're ignorant to what's kind of a blood clot YouTube. And that try for blood clot set me up. Like me
People,
have a problem. If that was the case of
them say money is the root of all evil. But money is not the root of all evil. People make money be the root of evil. Money can't talk. Money can't walk. But you have people we carry you to the last bottom of the pit for feed them gains. And most of these people, most of the time, is people where you are close to. People who claim say them love you. People who claim say them like you and them will do anything for you. But I don't do them will do anything for you. Them will do anything against you if you see you fall for them gain. And it all boils down to jealousy, corrupt, bad mind, and envy. Yeah, man, them will do anything for feed them gains. Because most people, you know, them think about just themselves. You agree, you have to think about yourself first. But not in all circumstances and all instant. You understand? You can't afford to make a friend go down just because you want a pound of flour. If you do without that pound of flour, you're not go dead. But you'd have prefer no say you gain the pound of flour you want it presently, at this present moment, and your friend gone home. You understand what I say? And them things are not pretty. Those things are not nice. All because of vanity and money. Because how the hell now you will come and fight over YouTube with somebody where they have not a see or somebody who can't stop you from gain where you will gain? You are live off of that person where you are trying to stop and fight against more than all that person. No more. That person they've not live off of you. Because they in there out you to tell her she don't want you cuss her. She don't want you this. You are the one that run into her and ask her to use her content. So how you come now and make it look like Dana was living off of you, or you was a solid kind of stump or barrier for Dana? No, you wasn't, Gracie. You were doing all what you do for the gains. What you're gaining now. Them $300 where you come and ask upon phone for partner. Them all for money where you ask if you buy laptop. Money where you ask if you buy this. Because every time there's not a life where you not do. Where you not come and ask for money one way or the other. If I not cash up, a pretty scream, a Zell, a Pell. So you never did do this out of your natural heart. You do this with an intention to gain from it. In the way, cause everybody do things again, you know. But it's how you do it. Because me I do YouTube for gaining in the long run. Me want to mind my platform, which a platform where me can come and me just talk about anything. Me can just show my phone and show one bird there, so I run down one another bird and me gain from it. Yes. But I'm not going to tear down people at certain level. Like what Uno are doing a phone. And the so you stand the back and forth there, so. How can you say you and somebody a friend? You understand? And that person have an enemy down there, so, and you and that person sit down on the other person's name. Me not gonna tell you say you can't talk to fear enemy, because fear enemy and not your enemy. But when you go sit down with the enemy now against the next person, you say you and them a friend. That is evilous, man. That not good at you. You talk to the enemy for the person where you and that person are friend. You must be neutral. Them can't come to you with an argument and tell you about say, boy, 99 this. No, me don't want to hear that, because you start that me gone. Me and you are friend, you are 99 a friend, me and 99 a friend. Me not have nothing to do with you. I talk about 99. Anything me I talk about between me and you or other things. Not about 99. Me not gonna come sit down and gossip with you. And that uno in a phone I do. Show pretty face over here, sir. Yes, yes, man, me like 99. Me not stop defending to the world. Me now have them a chat. Me not stop defending 99, you mad? And nation as me say. And then when you go around they say the yes. You not breathe short again, you go around they say the yes man. Me, oh, she can't do without me, I put the season. Like you have any power to stop putting for yourself. Speak my mind, people. As I say, I take a little 2 days off, you know. Last night, I see this little thing pop up. And I say, this man would have do it because my face was tired last night, I couldn't do it. So just continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please go over to the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV, and give me a subscription. Please remember, hit that thumbs up. And please remember to watch the ads. And stay tuned for more video. Because the Easter season done now, you know. You know, me just take the Friday, Saturday, go, you know, look at splurt and take this thing off of my head. And thing. So, I'm back last night and me see a little thing I go on. Decide to talk about it. But I wait till this morning. Watch your friends, what you keep. Remember that me telling our people. Just not even on a shadow. I continue to preach this to you about friends and people who say them are friends. They are friend enemies. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. I'm out.